morning, students. In last class, we were started the chapter of fractions. In last class, we saw what is a fraction and what are the types of fractions. In that, we saw what is proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, like fraction, unlike fractions, and equivalent fractions. Okay, we know what are the types of fractions and what does it mean. In today's class, we are going to see how we are going to add the fractions and subtract the fractions. Okay, we'll see how to do addition of fraction. Addition of fractions. See here, you know what are like fractions. You know what are like fractions. Like fraction means if the denominator of the fractions are same, then such a type of fractions are called like fractions. Now we'll see how to do addition of fraction of like fraction. Suppose I gave you example 1 by 2 plus 2 by 2. See how to add the like fractions. Now see a student, while adding the like fractions, see here, we have to add the numerator 1 plus 2. So keeping the denominator same. We have to keep the denominator same and we have to add only the numerator. So what is 1 plus 2? 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 by 2. So this is example number 1. Now see, I will give one more example. 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5. See how we have to add the like fractions? We have to add the like fractions in such a way that we have to add only the numerator, keeping the denominator same. I am speaking about a like fraction. In a like fraction, if you want to add the fractions means we have to add the numerator. See here, you add the numerator 3 plus 2. Okay, we have to keep the denominator same. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 by 5 is 1. So how we are going to add the like fractions? In like fractions, we have to add the numerator, keeping the denominator same. Now we will see how to add unlike fractions. How to add unlike fractions. Now see here students, while adding unlike fractions, first we have to convert that unlike fractions into like fractions. I will give one example here. Example number 1. 5 by 9 plus 7 by 12. Okay. Now see here, while adding unlike fractions, first convert that unlike fractions into like fraction. You know how to convert an unlike fraction into like fraction? Yes or no? First you have to convert unlike fraction into like fraction and you know how to add the like fractions. Yes? First we will convert this into a unlike fraction. We will convert this unlike fraction into like fraction. See, LCM of 9 and 12. What is LCM of 9 and 12? 9, 12. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. Okay, 3 1s are 3. 4 I will keep as it is. Okay, here 4 1s are. What is the LCM? 3 into 3 into 4. 3 3s are 9. 9 4s are 36. 36 is the LCM. Okay, now see, therefore 5 by 9, convert this 5 by 9 and 7 by 12 into like fraction. See, 9, how much are 36? 9 4s is 36 plus Here 7 by 12 is there, no? 12, how much are 36? 12 3s are 36. Okay. Now if you get confused, I will multiply both sides and I will show you. Okay. Now see, 5 by 9. 9 how much are 36? 9 4s are multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. Plus 7 by 12. 12 how much are 36? 12 3s are. Okay. 5 4s are 20. 9 4s are 36. Plus 7 3s are 21. 12 3s are 36 is equal to. Now see here, we have to convert unlike fraction into like fraction. We have converted into like fraction. Now add this. How to add like fraction? We have to add the numerator keeping the denominator same is equal to, what is 20 plus 21? 41 by 36. Is it understood how to add the unlike fraction? To add the unlike fractions, the first step is we have to convert the unlike fractions into like fractions. Afterwards, we have to add that. We will see one more example for this. So, example number 2. 5 by 7 plus 9 by 8. Okay, now add this fraction. See, these are unlike fractions. Yes or no? First, unlike fractions you have to convert into a like fraction. See, LCM of 7 and 8. What is the LCM of 7 and 8? 7 ones are, right? And here 8 ones are. LCM is 7 8s are is 56. Okay, now see, 5 by 7 plus 9 by 8 is equal to 5 by 7. 7 how much are 56? 7 8s are plus 9 by 8. 8 how much are 56? 8 7s are. 5 8s are 40. 40 by 7 8s are 56 plus 9 7s are 63. 8 7s are 56. Okay. What is, see here, unlike fractions we are converted into a like fraction. Now you add this. These are like fraction. How to add the like fractions? We have to add the numerator keeping the denominator same. What is 40 plus 63, students? 40 plus 63 divided by 56. What is 40 plus 63? It is 103. 103 divided by 56. Okay. Now we came to know that how to do addition of fraction. We will see how to do subtraction of fraction. Okay, how to do the subtraction of fractions. So first we will do for like fractions. So first we will see how to do subtraction for like fractions. So here suppose I gave you example 6 by 9 minus 3 by 9. Now see, these are like fractions because the denominator are same. Okay. Now see, how to do subtraction of fraction means same thing how we are done in addition. We have to subtract the numerator. We have to subtract the numerator keeping the denominator same. Now see here 6 minus 3. Okay. Subtract the numerator keeping the denominator same. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 by 9. 3 by 9 is nothing but 3 ones are 3 3s. It will be 1 by 3. See how we have to subtract the like fraction? We have to subtract the numerator keeping the denominator same. How we are done in addition of fraction. We will see one more example for this. Example number 2. 3 by 7 minus 2 by 7. Now see here. Only subtract the numerator. 3 minus 2. Keeping the denominator same. 3 minus 2 is 1. The answer is 1 by 7. So this is the way how we are going to do subtraction of fraction for like fractions. Now we will see how to do subtraction of fraction for unlike fractions. Okay. So here I will give one example here. See example number 1. 3 by 7 minus 5 by 28. Now see a student, how to subtract this unlike fraction. How we are done in addition of unlike fraction? Same thing. First you convert this in a like fraction. To convert this in a like fraction, what we have to do? We have to take the LCM of the denominators. See here, LCM of 7 and 28 is, what is the LCM of 7 and 28? 7 ones are, here 7 fours are, is 28. Okay, here 4 ones are 4. What is the LCM of 7 and 28? 7 fours is 28. The LCM of 7 and 28 is 28. Now convert this in a like fraction. You knew that, right? Say is equal to 3 by 7. 7 how much is 28? 7 fours are. 7 fours are 28. Therefore multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. Minus 5 by 28. Multiply by 28. How much is 28? 28 ones are. Therefore multiply both numerator and denominator by 1. Now see here, 3 fours are 12. 7 fours are 28. Minus 5 ones are 5. 28 ones are 28. Now see here, we have converted that into a like fraction. Now you knew that how to subtract the like fraction. Yes or no? See here, is equal to 12 by 28 minus 5 by 28. Now see, we have to subtract the numerator keeping the denominator same. What is 12 minus 5? 12 minus 5 is 7. 7 by 28. Okay. This can be written as 7 ones are 7 fours are. Here it will be 1 by 4. Okay. We will see one more example for this. Say example number 2. 7 integer 3 by 4 minus 3 integer 5 by 6. Now first convert this in a improper fraction. How to convert into improper fraction? See here, 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. 31 by 4. See here, whole number into denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. Yes or no? 7 fours are 28. 31. 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 3 is 31 by 4. Minus 3 6 are 18. 18 5 are 23. 23 by 6. Okay. Now see. Now these are unlike fractions. Convert into a like fraction. What is the LCM of 4 and 6? Find out the LCM of 4 and 6. The LCM of 4 and 6 is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. LCM is equal to 12. Okay. Now see, is equal to 31 by 4. 4 how much are 12? 4 3s are. Therefore, multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. Minus 23 by 6. Okay. 6 how much are 12? 6 2s are. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. 31 3s are is 93. 31 3s are 93 divided by 12. Minus 23 2s are. It is 46 by 12. Now you know how to subtract the like fraction. We have converted this into a like fraction, no? Subtract the numerator keeping the denominator same. Now see here, 93 minus 46 by 12. What is 93 minus 46? 13 minus 6 is 7. Okay, here it will be 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. It will be 47 Okay, now see it will be 47 by 12. Okay, now we come to know how to do the addition of fraction and how to do the subtraction of fraction. Now we will see the work problems. See, whatever we have learned, based on that we are going to solve few problems. So first problem, write 5 equivalent fractions of 3 by 5. I told you how to find the equivalent fraction. You have to multiply or divide by the same number. Yes or no? If you want to find out the equivalent fraction, multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number, or divide both numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay. Now see a solution. 3 by 5. Okay. See 3. Except 0, you can multiply both numerator and denominator by any number. Same thing for division also. You can divide both numerator and denominator by the same number except 0. Okay, we'll start from 2. I will multiply by 3. Here I will multiply by 4. They are told 5 equivalent fraction. 1, 2, 3. Now say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 3 2s are 6. 5 2s are 10. 3 3s are 9. 5 3s are 15. 3 4s are 12. 5 4s are 20. 3 5s are 15. 5 5s are 25. 3 6 are 18. 5 6 are 30. Therefore, 5 equivalent fractions of 3 by 5 are. are 6 by 10, 9 by 15, 12 by 20, 15 by 25 and 18 by 30. Okay, these are the equivalent fractions for 3 by 5. We will see the second question. Take down second question. Ramesh solved 2 by 7 part of an exercise while Seema solved 4 by 5 of it. Who solved lesser part? Now see students, second question. Ramesh solved 2 by 7 part of an exercise while Seema solved 4 by 5 of it. Who solved lesser part? We have to compare here. Who solved lesser part? See a solution. Part of exercise solved by Ramesh is how much? 2 by 7. Okay. Part of exercise solved by Seema is equal to 4 by 5. Now see we have to compare this. For comparing, this should be if it is in like term, we can compare very easily. Okay, so converting them to like fractions, we have. Okay, so 2 by 7 and 4 by 5 we will convert into a like fraction. These are in unlike fraction. So take the LCM of 7 and 5. What is the LCM of 7 and 5? Do here 7, 5. 7 ones are 5 as it is. The LCM is 35. Say 7, how much are 35? 7 5s are multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. Now 5, how much are 35? 5 7s are. Okay, now see 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 35, 4 7s are 28, 5 7s are 35. Now tell me which is lesser, whether this is lesser or this is lesser. 10 by 35 is less compared to 28 by 35. Therefore, who solved a lesser part? Ramesh solved a lesser part. Yes or no? So what we can write here? Here 10 by 35 is lesser than 28 by 35. That is 2 by 7 is less than 4 by 5. If denominators are same, you have to see here which is the bigger number, no, that fraction will be the bigger fraction. So what we can tell? Therefore Ramesh solved lesser part than Seema. Okay, next problems we will continue in the next class. Thank you.